Doing pretty well. All
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
we'll do general checkup. I will get you face down for me.
It's hard to breathe.
Yeah, well, it's even nicer at least without the paper. The extra layers start getting to people. So a couple spots, especially in through here. Can you actually take a deep breath in for me? And out. So you can see there's a lot of lateral deviation of that left thumb as he breathes, not so much the right just goes up and down, so the ribs are really jammed up in here. That's a good starting spot. Okay, so breath in. Yep. Through here, I'm actually going to lower the headpiece. Bore your head, I'm going to bring you over. Breath in. Out.
Oh, goodness.
And then I'm going to come around.
Ah, that feels so good.
Oh, sorry, you're staying right down for
Okay.
me. We just got to make sure we get the other side here. And a breath in.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Felt that one.
I believe it. Now that is going to be jammed, which I actually suspect is going to be causing a bit of a discrepancy here. Can you raise your right leg in the air from the hip as high as you can? Or straight leg, sorry, Joe. Perfect. Drop that down. Try the same thing with the left when you're ready. A little bit better. So you get to relax there. We're going to come back in here. Breath in. Good. And then if you try same thing, right leg up as high as it'll go. Good, and then left. Okay, so that actually overcorrected there. You get to relax. So then the next piece will be an extension restriction in through the right SI joint here. If we bend both knees up on you, your right leg's much happier to bend. And can you hold that up for me? I'm going to just see if I can uncurl the hamstring here. So that's really tough. Try that again for me here, Joe. Good. And then I'll switch you legs. We'll just make sure. Hold here. Good. Okay. So next up, you get to relax there. I'm going to get you to turn on your side so you're facing me over this way. We're going to roll that bottom shoulder in front of you. Perfect. Good. Top leg's going to bend up. Bottom. Perfect. And then from here, breath in. Beautiful. And then I'm going to get you turned facing the other way. Good. So again, breath in. Out.
Oh, that was good.
Nice. And then I'll get you back face down. Make sure everything's moving the way we want it to. Comfortable there?
Yeah.
Good. So this time when we bend both knees up, that's evened out. From the hip, can you raise the right leg up as high as it'll go? Good. And then the left. Good. So that's evened out. And then I'm going to get you on your back for me, face up. So restricted in through that right, and then very much in through the upper left. I'm going to just turn you as far as you go left, pretty good, to the right. And so that's pretty limited compared to going left. So that will get fixed up here. Try and relax for me here. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. And then just still restricted right there.
I definitely got that one.
Good. So this time if we come back, left is still good. And this time right actually goes the distance for the most part. There's going to be a little bit of a muscular release in here as well. It's going to be tender. You let me know if it's too much.
That's good.
Good. Switch sides. Doing okay there?
Yeah.
There it is. Good. Fairly tight in through the shoulder here too, eh?
Yeah, a bit.
So over the arm. I'm gonna bring it out here. You're okay if I get right in here?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. One more. I'll give you that one back. Come around to the other side. This one I don't think will be as tight, but still needs some help. Good. Give you that back. And then from here, while I've got both knees up, if you don't mind, I'm going to get you just to squeeze the knees together. So that's a little tough. I think I just heard the pelvis reset.
Yeah.
You felt that.
Yeah.
With that reset, can you squeeze together again? Perfect. It's always nice when it fixes itself for you. And push apart for me. Not too bad. Left leg's going to come out straight here. I'm going to get you to kick straight up into me. I'm going to try and bring you down. Good. And I'll switch your legs. And kick straight up into me. Good. I'll bring you back up here. So start with the toes.
Incredible. How do you do that?
That was a nice one.
5 for 5. Traction's okay here?
Oh, yeah.
That gapped really well. I don't know if the camera would have picked that up, but good. That's tight.
I got 2 different socks on.
And then I'm going to switch your feet here. We'll really display the different socks. Less exciting on this foot. Good. 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 Good.
It's the black socks. You can't hear as much with them.
Yeah, they just muffle everything.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to do it here when you do that?
If you're jammed up in through the hip, you often will. I'm sure you felt that through everything, though.
Yeah.
The ankle, I felt really let go, and the hip as well. Good. All right. I will get you sitting and facing towards the door if that's all right. I'm going to just come behind you.
Yep.
Huh. Good there?
Yeah.
So I'm going to borrow the right arm from you. We're going to check ranges through the shoulder. I'm going to bring you back. So tight there. Good there. So I'm going to adjust through the shoulder if you're up for that.
Yeah, sure.
For this one, I'll have you bend your elbow. Arm's going to come around in front of you. I'm going to just grab the elbow and we're going to pull you back. Good there?
Mm-hmm.
Good, and then let that relax. So you don't hear it so much, but the range improves drastically and very quickly.
That's awesome.
I'm going to switch you over here.
Mhm.
Range is already really good here. There's really nothing to do there. Same thing. If you don't mind, we're going to get you to go back pinky and thumb. So squeeze those together. So challenging and challenging. And then if we actually challenge in through the carpals, the wrist bones, squeeze. That fixes. That fixes. Good. And just if you gently shake them out and then come back, it's a temporary fix. So we'll adjust in through the wrist itself. I'm going to have you relax everything in through the arm and the hand.
Do I have to still hold Minky?
Nope.
Okay.
You're going to be as relaxed as you can be. And I'm going to give you just a gentle adjustment through here.
Holy crap.
Really loud gentle adjustment.
Yes, that's
So
right.
pinky and thumb back together here.
Yeah.
Squeeze, and this time if you shake it, and then squeeze, so it's no longer that temporary fix. I'll have you, same thing here, as relaxed as you possibly can be. Good. And then again, just gently shake that out, and squeeze, hold, perfect.
It's crazy.
All right.
I feel a lot more mobile. Just like I don't have anything like tense or feeling hard in my body. I just feel a lot more relaxed from my toes to my fingers, to my back to my neck. Like it's just, I feel like also my sinuses are just clear. I just breathe very comfortably. Thanks very much.